All right, guys, quick tutorial on how to get into the new screen share for the Puke tool. Come into the website like you normally do. The buttons haven't changed. Puke tool 1 here, Puke tool 2 over here, of course, trading room here. When you click, of course, log into the website. When you click Puke tool number 1, it'll take you to this screen now, where you click the purple request permission button. This will come up on your browser. Remember this decision. Check that. You only have to do this step once. Then click block. Then come down, continue without devices. 2 clicks, you're in. It'll show all the people on the right-hand side. Here's Dave, here's me, and everybody else will be in here. You could chat with these individuals through here. I won't get into detail every single feature, just the high points here. So we've got, this is a small screen. This wouldn't really suffice, but you could go to full screen and even get it bigger than that by, I believe, hiding toolbars. So that's going to be the biggest that you can get, which is obviously your entire screen. Now, there's a couple other things that could be done. You hit your escape key to go back to the normal browser. See everybody here. Right there, this icon on the along the right-hand side for a page out will take this and now allow you to do anything you want with it. You grab it from the middle, and you can bring it to other screens that you have. You could grab the border of it to zoom in and then put this screen by grabbing it the middle wherever you want, and then place your other charts or domes over it and have those be always on top. And so that's how you would zoom in. When you bring this back down to get back and put it back into the tab, upper left click, you're back to this. If you just again want full screen, just make sure you go to there, maximize, and there you are. Escape button will give you back to where it's originally going to bring you in. So it's a couple, maybe another click or two, but on the backup, it's better for as far as fail safe when anything else goes down internet wise. This provider, this screen share is much better from a technological standpoint, and then gives you the opportunity to chat with other Puke traders that you'll see all loaded up here with your ability to do that.